14. Conduct a Q&A session about just about anything. So how do you get access to Q&A questions and answers? First, you have to go to Quora.com. This is unlike Yahoo Answers. It has a lot of people asking questions and a lot of people giving or providing answers to the questions asked. So you gotta pick any question or answer from Quora.com. Put your questions on a PowerPoint presentation. Read out the answers in your own convincing way, like it is coming out of your own mouth in conversational style, and just read out the answers. And you have to shoot the video. Then your question and answer video, after it is done, you have to publish it to YouTube, and as usual, watch it go viral. But you have to pick up the popular questions and answers, so that you can find the topics from Google Trends if you want to, and through Google Trends you find the trending topics, and then you go to Quora and search for those trending topics, and then read out the answers from that trending topic as it is coming out of your own mouth. So this is how you can conduct a Q&A session